Hi guys, welcome back to Minu Art by Heart. I'm your host and guide. This focus is texture. I would be teaching you how to paint different textures on cucumber skin. Keep watching till the end and I hope this video will teach you something. And let me know what you've learned and share your pictures, share your videos, what you have made.
First thing first, your material: paper, paper towel, color, brushes, pencils, water cup. And now you know how to activate your surface with clear water. And after that, I'm using little light yellow color to create my base. Once my base is created, I'm gonna do little lines of green color. Important thing is to remember where is your reference image, what exactly your image says, as I said in the last video as well. So once you start observing, and you will start painting more realistically. Okay, so this is our base is created. Wherever you see more patches, green color patches, you can leave some dark patches there and create a base layer like that. It's just called filling. If you have extra color, you can just lift it or wipe it from your tissue paper or paper towel. Add extra colors wherever you can see more dark and just follow your image and reference. There are some lines, so make sure that you create some lines, and also you need to wait a little bit in between when you paint. Once we are done with this line and patterns, we can go to a new technique, which is dabbing technique. To give texture, you can fold paper towel into a small pointed pen kind of shape or a pencil kind of shape and start dabbing. Dabbing means you are starting basically trying to soak the color from the paper. So as you can see, when I'm soaking it, I'm touching it, it's soaking the color and leaving some kind of texture. I'm just trying to show you in zoom version. So when you're touching it, it's taking the color and leaving some kind of pattern, which is more realistic in a way, because I've noticed this kind of texture in my cucumber image. And once you think it is not coming as you wanted, you might paint it over again or keep as much as you wanted. I feel it is too much for me, so I'm just reducing a little bit. And again, if you need, you can take another paper and make it into a fine point and dab it again. Make sure the paint is wet. And if you think your artwork is dry, then maybe you can take a clean water in your brush and just go over very gently. And then you can start. That means you are activating your paints again, and then you can dab on top of it. Observe your image wherever it requires little texture and depth, shadow and highlight, and observe where exactly all the details are and keep painting accordingly. It's a good idea to add dark color at the top portion where it connects to the stem. It gives you a realistic feel, and also it shows a little light and shadow. Now that you know how to paint textured cucumber, let's paint a smooth one. Focus on the highlights. A smooth surface has gentle transition from dark to light. Layer these values carefully to create a 3D and realistic effect. So make sure and see where the highlights and the light coming on your object, and then paint accordingly. It's time to paint slices now. As we have already painted a base layer, now we will paint on the outer skin. Let the outer skin dry and paint inside, focusing on the seed area. We can use random or reference pattern and paint each seed direction. Then add light green around the edges of the cucumber slice and let it dry, and repeat for all the slices. For the realistic look, I painted the similar color inside those pattern, and repeat the same process for all the slices. And remember, watercolor always dries lighter. So if you see that you need to add little more dark color or highlight or something, just go for it. Now coming back to the first slice, adding some values so that it looks like a part of the same cucumber, adding more depth, more values. Remember, the more details you add, the more realistic it will look like. So I'm fine lining again the center portion of this cucumber so that it stands prominently basically. Observe your reference image and add whatever details you think you need to, and then add shadow, because adding shadow will enhance your artwork. It will separate from its background. When we add shadow, it gives us a sense of completion. So almost we are done here, and thank you so much for watching this video and trying it by yourself. I would like to see what you have made, and keep posting your artwork on my channel so I can see and I can reply on your comments. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment and share with your friends so that they can also learn. Okay, bye bye, see you in next video.